Hi guys, this is another one of those converting a laser cut wood kit thing to 3D printing. I really didn't expect it to print, and it hasn't. It's lifted up in quite a few places because it's very thin and it's just gonna peel up. But I thought I'd give it a go. Quite a few of the bits look okay, so it might still go together. It just won't look perfect. We'll see. We'll see if we can get it together. It didn't print perfectly. In fact, whoa, now I'm looking at it. It's another one of those ones that slipped. I didn't realise that when I took it off the print bed. But now I'm looking at it, I can see it slipped quite significantly. Can we point? That's the bottom layer, the bed layer, and then the whole thing has slipped about 5 millimeters. That bit there is that bit there, or to be more exact, that bit there should be on top of that bit there, and somehow it's slipped. How has it done that? It's not the first time it's slipped a bit, but I can't even think of why it should have gone like that. I wonder if that's actually in the STL file, that there's a glitch. Well, that's no good. There's no way I can put that together. Right. Well, we might have to try and print it again. See if the same thing happens. Printer's doing a 10-hour print at the moment. So we're not going to be doing it today. That's the second attempt at printing it, and that seems to have come out all right. I did have to level the bed. I did find that corner was up a little bit, so that may have been the problem. But that looks like that's printed okay. So that is all rubbish. And this is the next print. What's the chances of assembling it without looking at the instructions? Might have to look at the instructions. Because I'm just guessing there which way round they go. Yeah, might have to look that up. Yeah, okay. Well, at least they're sliding together nice and tight. I mean, this lot's going to be fairly straightforward. Probably going to have to take it apart again in a minute. I should have done this in front of the computer so I could look at the screen at the same time. I mean, that looks about right, doesn't it? So what have we got left? Well, that bit's got to be up under there for the legs. The legs, oh, they're all different sizes. That can't be that way up, Grandad. That looks okay. Yeah, that looks like a good guess. Ah, I end up having to glue some of these together. Right. A bit stuck now. to be something goes in there. No, it's no good. I'm going to have to look it up, aren't I? I've tried guessing, and I don't think I'm right. All right, we'll be back in a minute. I'll go and have a look at the proper picture. Well, I had so much wrong. The back bit's all right. The legs are all right. Although I'm not sure whether those two should be swapped around. I'll leave them like that for now. This bit I had totally wrong. The wings. Go on here. That way round. And then that bit goes on there. And that bit goes on there. Am I right? Yeah, that's... That bit goes there. And then that's the head. Wrong way around. Goes down on there. Okay. He's the right way round. That one goes in there. That one goes in there. That one goes in there. And then these two have fallen off the back. I could probably do with a little bit of glue. And there we go. What a beauty. Huh. It was. Come on, in you go. Lovely. I'll put a link in the video description to the TemplatesArea 3D wooden fly laser cutting files. I converted it to a STL file. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.